Hey guys, so Samsung is about to unleash the flagship of 2021 and we have live hands-on videos and images of the Galaxy S21 5G and S21 Ultra 5G and they all look gorgeous. So the Galaxy S21 features a compact 6.2-inch display, the S21 Plus is 6.7 inches and the resolution is toned down to 1080p, which makes me feel Samsung is trying to push us to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which features a massive 6.8 inches 1440p display. Yeah, also there's Gorilla Glass Victus on front, kinda impressive cause it is like 1.5 times better than previous gen glass in terms of not getting shattered and also 2 times scratch proof. Now S21 Ultra looks super thick and that's cause of the camera system it is coming with. Plus we have some huge internal changes. So 108 megapixel primary plus 2 telephoto lenses and a super wide angle camera with supporting sensors is of course gonna make a smartphone thick. Plus I cannot ignore a 40 megapixel huge camera on front for selfies. Plus we have a huge battery at 5000 mAh. Samsung has also done some changes in the design like moving the SIM card tray to the bottom, no micro SD expansion storage in the S21 series and of course a brand new design. The S21 and S21 Plus on the other hand are coming with 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel super wide and 64 megapixel telephoto lens, and that configuration is enough for a normal user I guess. Yeah, you pay more get more features, pay less and get less features, it's just like that. The Samsung S21 weighs at 171 grams, S21 Plus at 202 grams and S21 Ultra may look thick but is only 228 grams. And design wise I so love the S21 and S21 Plus, but specs wise I'm all into the S21 Ultra. We also have some custom colors coming in, but that's like on demand basis. If you want to get one, you have to book one. You just cannot go to any store and ask for one because they'll sell regular color options and variants. Now what's exciting is Exynos 2100, which is a huge add-on to this beautiful device. You are getting a massive performance boost in comparison to last year's Exynos 990 CPU. And it's gonna be similar to the Snapdragon 888 performance cause they are using same cores. And yeah, so this time I won't complain about the CPU I guess. Now all phones are IP68, got 120Hz refresh rate. The S21 Ultra also got insane 100x zoom. We also have S Pen support in the Ultra variant. You can purchase an official case for S Pen if you want to keep it along all time. And this also means we may not see Galaxy Note 21 this year cause the gap between S and Note lineup is getting close. And yeah, this is pretty much about the specifications and features. The pricing is gonna be not so expensive. We are expecting the S21 and S21 Plus to start at $100 less than last year's model. And Samsung is also ditching the power brick from the box and making the package slim. So yeah, they should give an explanation for this. Also, the S21 is coming with a plastic bag, so the cost should be low. And that's all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.